Hey, it's Mark and Kim here at Forbes Kia. Mark, we got a nice truck here, buddy.
Fresh in 2019 Ford Ranger XTR edition. Beautiful orange color, only 60K and ready to go.
One of the things I really like about this vehicle is it's got the pass-through window in the back, and it comes with a tonneau cover.
It's got the tow package, nice box liner in there to protect the box. Beautiful truck.
Lots of space in the back. Love the color of the interior.
You can take both of your girls in there. Lots
Oh
of room.
yeah, lots of space.
You got the power driver's seat. We even got the fitted winter mats.
Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control.
Great truck. Beautiful truck priced at $41,987, and it's not going to last.
At $155 per week, it's never been easier to get into a Ford truck here at Forbes Kia.
So come and check us out at Forbes Kia New Minas or ForbesKia.com.
And remember, bad credit,
Don't sweat it.